Hey Eddie, throwing a spot. What are you doing over there too, Junior? Luna, you sniffing the flower? You see where your brothers are going to? Look at you guys. It's okay, Miguel. They're exploring right now. Hi, Luna. See, yep. Look at your sisters over here trying to explore too. So what y'all doing? Do you guys want to go in the cage? Not a cage. You guys just came out the cage. I'm talking about the little puppy pen. No. Feels nice and comfortable, huh? That's why y'all rubbing yourself all over the place. Eddie, where you going? Ya se fue Eddie. Acá están nosotros destruyendo en su desmadre. Then we go back over here. Brother and sister. Having a good time, I guess. And here comes sister. See what's going on? Eddie, I see you. Are you hiding from your brothers and sister? I said, nope. I'm stalking. Hey, boy. You're enjoying it back here, aren't you? Your siblings are just a little crazy sometimes. Yeah, we gonna let you two out as well. Hold up. Yes, okay. You guys drink as much as y'all want, huh? Eddie's getting tired and hot. Tú también. Les vale madre a ellas, eh? They're gonna get the water one way or the other, he said. Eddie's just eating grass again. Eddie. Eddie. Yeah, se cansó la chiquita. Maybe she's stalking her next prey. ¿Qué andan haciendo? You're hiding in your own little spot, huh, guys and girls? Yeah. Why wouldn't y'all have your own little spot, huh? Le vale verga. You don't care how dark it is back here. Look at this shit. Pitch black. Man, come on. Where else we going with? Hey man, we get attacked by the coyotes, Eddie, I'm gonna kick your butt.
This place always looks like it's being pushed by the winter.